Getting phone calls on your Apple Watch is nice and convenient, but it also means your wrist is going to be ringing every time you get a call, no matter where you are. And sometimes you just want to silence the watch without rejecting or answering the call. The easiest way to silence calls without rejecting them or hanging up is to simply cover the watch with your palm. Rest it on the watch for a few seconds, and the call gets silenced. If you want to make sure this is enabled on your watch, you can go to Settings, scroll down to Gestures, and then make sure Cover to Mute is toggled on. If your hands are full, you can also do this. A quick wrist flick, turning your wrist away and then back. That'll silence the ringing, but doesn't answer or reject the call. And one more way to do this would be the digital crown. Click the digital crown once, and that will silence your watch while allowing the call to ring silently in the background. And that's how you silence calls. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.